Hey yarn friends, welcome back to Llama Mama Kayla's Yarn Tube. I'm Kayla and Phoebe is joining me today, so she'll probably be popping in and out over here. So it seems like I've been buying a lot of yarn here lately, but that's not a normal thing for me. I haven't bought yarn in like a really long time up until recently. I've been just trying to use what's in my stash, and when I would think of a project or do a project, I was trying to use yarn that I already had, or if a project, called for certain colors or something, and it, would go in those colors, I would look to see if I had those colors before I would, think about doing that project. So I've been trying to use up a lot of my yarn, which I have, but I still have a lot of yarn. So anyway, I don't normally just go and buy a lot of yarn all the time, but here recently I just stumbled upon a few sales, and I hardly ever pay full price for any yarn, which I don't think I ever do. Anytime I buy yarn, it's either on sale or clearance. Anyway, we have not had an Ollie's. I've seen Jane from Scraptastic Yarn talk about yarn she has bought at Ollie's, and the good prices and such. And so I found out we were getting an Ollie's, like, I don't know, about a year ago, it seems like. It took them forever to put this Ollie's in. And then probably COVID had a little to do with the delay of it opening, but it finally opened. So we have an Ollie's here, and then I didn't go when it opened, but a lot of my local friends were taking pictures of the yarn and sending them to me. I was getting text that first day they opened. I got lots of text from friends sending me snapshots of the yarn in there. So I knew exactly what they had before I went. So I did go. And one of the boys, I think Elijah, took me, and we went and looked at their yarn they had. And so I got it. Because these yarns that I purchased are $9.99 at Michael's, and Ollie's had them for $3.99. So I just thought I would share what I got. So I got this Karen Jumbo. This is in the colorway of Spicy Ombre. I love those colors in there. It's kind of a dark pink, a light pink, kind of a peachy, and an orange, a mint green. Those are really pretty colors. And so these skeins are 595 yards for $3.99. That's good. No, I don't remember if I said that right. 595 yards. And these are $3.99 a piece. Yeah, that's a lot of yardage for $4. Yeah, I'll buy that all day long. So I got this one, and I'll show you the other colors that I got. And I think I bought 2 of each, just so I would have enough if I decided to do a blanket or such. But I really like that color. What was it? Spicy Ombre. Oh, that's a good name for that color, isn't it? Okay, so I am working that up in a project, and I'll show you. I'm making this capelet, and it is working up really soft. I mean, it feels good. It's not scratchy or anything like that. I can see this as a scarf or cowls because it is really soft. So I'm working it up as a capelet. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's not really a poncho, but a little capelet. And I'll tell more about this project later on in another video. But I'm happy with the way that's working up. I think the colors look, I think that I think the colors are working up really pretty on that, the way they're falling. And so yeah, I like that. Okay, so then I also picked up this one right here. It is called Gossamer. And you can see it is $3.99 at Ollie's. And this is an orange, navy, a mint, maybe a little bit of white. Yeah. I don't know. Around here, I don't know of a school, but this just kind of reminds me of school colors for some reason, but I don't know what school it goes to. But anyway, That's a lot of yarn for $4. And then I also got this yellow and purple. And I wish it was yellow, purple, and white, but there's a hint of pink in there. My eyes are so bad, I don't really see the pink, but the boys tell me there's pink in there. So to me, I thought it, when I purchased it, I thought it was yellow, purple, and white, which would have been great for LSU colors. But the boys tell me that that is a pink in there. Can y'all see any pink? Okay, so this color is springtime. That is very springy. Very pretty. All right, and then another color that I got is, let me see the color of it. Rusted purple. Rusted purple, and this has like some, I don't know, like a burnt orange, a muted blue, brown, some off-white. It's called rusted purple, so I guess there's some purple in there too. Maybe that's purple. Yeah, that one hanging out is purple. Anyway, I was planning on making a pocket scarf with this, so that's coming up. And I'm not going to do that video, that pattern that everyone else has done. I'm doing my own thing in a different way. So I'll be doing a video on that. But I like that color, you know, for when you want something that's not just like, hey, look at me. This will be the color for that. This is the color for like, hey, look at me. Oh, anyway, so I really like these, you know. I mean, $9.99 versus the $4 at Ollie's. Yes. So I don't know how Ollie's yarn works. I know that I've seen, like I said, Jane from Scraptastic Yarns. I've seen her show yarns that she purchased at Ollie's before, and it was not these yarns. So I don't know how often they change yarns or anything like that. Also, they had the Karen 1-pounders, and also at Michael's, these are $9.99, and so these were $3.99, so $4. Yes, even the Karen 1-pounders that I have bought at Michael's at one time were on sale for $4.97, and then the manager did tell me that she put a bunch of new yarn outside, and all that yarn was $2.99. And so I went out there and found a couple of these for $2.99. But they had them for $4.97 inside the store. But if you brought it in off the sidewalk, it was $2.99. But anyway, this came from Ollie's, $4, $3.99. And that's a good price because anytime I've bought these at Michael's, I've always made sure I had their 40% off coupon, which I don't think they're doing their 40% off right now anymore, or I don't know if they'll start it back later. Right now, they're doing a 20% off your each item. So, but anytime I have bought these at Michael's in the past, I've always made sure I had a coupon to buy them, or either bought them on sale for when they were like $6.99. But anyway, this is 812 yards for $4.99. I mean, for $3.99. Yes, sir. I'm there. So the color of this is, the color is Dove Taupe, and it's not a pretty color. It's kind of a purpley gray. I don't know what color it looks like in the camera, but it has a purple hue to it. So it's kind of a purple gray, I think. Okay, so I got that one, and I think I only bought one of that one because I didn't really know if I would use that color that much. And then I got this one right here, and the color of this one is Grassy Meadow. And I did buy 2 of these because I plan on making a blanket that I'm doing for Dakota. And I think 2 of these will probably be enough. It's going to be a really large, interesting blanket that requires this color. So that's when I bought this. I had another color picked out that I was going to use that blanket, but I hadn't started it. And then when I saw this 1-pounders at Ollie's, I knew that that's the color I needed. So I got 2 of those. And then I also got 2 of this one. And it is, what color is that? Limeade. And it's a pretty bright green. And I did buy 2 of this. It's not as bright and pretty as the Spring Green by Red Heart, but it's kind of a, I don't know what color you would say that is. It's not spring green. It's limey. I guess a limeade. I guess it's limeade. That's what it says it is. So I did get 2 of these. Just because I don't really have much green in my cabinet over here. I have spring green, and I have the color that looks like spring green in Crafter's Secret, but I don't have like grass green or anything like that really. I think I did buy some frothy, I think it's called frothy Red Heart green that I used for a Yoda project. And I don't know if it was the correct green or not. I think this green might be more suited for Yoda. I don't know. One of these. But anyway, so I don't have much green in my stash. So I went ahead and got this and got 2 of them. So I would have some green. But this green won't work for everything. But anyway, so that's what I got at Ollie's. And I'm glad that we have an Ollie's. I looked around and I was thinking, did I get anything else? Oh, I did find a little crochet book for like, I think $1.99. It was just a little, this might be it right here. I forgot about that. It's a, it was $1.49 at Ollie's. It is a crochet baby book. And so, I just picked that up to see if there was, I like that it lays flat with a spiral binding. So I just picked that up to see if there was any things in there that I wanted to make for a baby. Because I do have a little new baby niece, Hazel. And so I'll know that I'll be making her things. And so I saw that book and thought I would get it. And so, oh, Phoebe's over here waiting patiently. Say, hey. Say hi to Miss Kathy. She always asks about you, Phoebe. Oh, she's sleepy. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you have an Ollie's near you, check it out. If you don't, I know the feeling because I didn't have one for a very long time. I don't know if Ollie's is more of a northern thing other than a southern thing. I remember I looked before whenever people kept mentioning Ollie's. I had looked to see, and there wasn't any close to us. So I was very shocked and surprised when I saw that we were getting an Ollie's. But anyway, I don't know if they ship or anything. I doubt it. I doubt you could order and ship. But I will see you all guys later. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind, give my video a thumbs up. And subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. And I will see you all again very soon with more yarn videos.